Molly.
Oh. Come here, Bear. Come here, Molly.
Come here, Mom.
Come here.
Good boy, Max.
Oh, but Corey, what's on your phone?
Put it on the counter, please.
What?
Put it on the counter. I'm trying to get him on here.
Max, come here.
Go ahead, Max. Walk.
Come here.
Go walk over to Carly.
Come here. Come here. Molly, get away. Molly.
Molly, come here, Mal.
Come here. Go. Go.
Put her. Yeah, put her in there.
Go. Nice trick, Molly. Come again.
Go ahead, buddy. Go get it.
Come get it, buddy.
Not gonna let go, are you, bud? Oh, you are. Okay.
What?
Play with these. Maybe he'll come over here if he sees you playing with. Oh, good boy. Come on over. Come on over, Max. Come on.
Like, he's gonna break them, Corey.
Show everybody how you're walking now. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Here he comes. Oh. He's tired. He did more before.
No.
It's okay. It's okay. He's standing up.
Okay.
Come on over, Max. Can't go in that room, buddy. Come on.